Want an AI that works for you? Here's how to create one that automates tasks, answers questions, or even helps with business operations. Step 1. Define your AI's purpose. What do you need your AI to do? Customer support, writing assistance, data analysis? Defining the scope helps you choose the right tools. Step 2. Choose the right AI model. Popular models include OpenAI's GPT, Google's Gemini, and Meta's Llama. If you need deep customization, fine-tune an AI on specific data. Step 3. Training and customization. For custom AI agents, training with industry-specific data makes them more useful. Use APIs, datasets, and fine-tuning to tailor responses. Step 4. Build an interface. Connect your AI to a chatbot, voice assistant, or automation tool. Platforms like LangChain, Chatbot Builders, or Zapier help integrate AI into workflows. Step 5. Automate and deploy. Once built, automate tasks using AI workflows, API connections, and smart triggers. Keep improving your AI based on real user interactions. With these steps, you can create an AI agent that saves you time, effort, and resources.